Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today, guys, we did a window regulator replacement on the Ford Fiesta ST, and now airbag light is on. So we took the door panel apart as well. So stay with us, guys. We'll diagnose the system, see what causes the problem, because everything was perfectly fine before, and all of a sudden we have airbag light on. So let's connect the Diagnostic tool and check it out. Okay guys, we're using Maxi Sys here, our professional diagnostic tool. We'll have the links in the description, nothing sponsored, but that's what we've been using for so long. So we'll just connect it to the OBD port of the car. Okay, and then you need to turn the ignition on. Okay, you see you have two lights there. They'll turn green when everything's connected. Okay, ignition switch is on. Okay, and you can see right here you have a green checklist point that it has communication with the module. Okay, so now we're going to connect. You can manually select the vehicle, or you can read the VIN number and select it that way. Okay, this is the correct VIN number, or you can manually put the VIN number if you don't know it. It's going to take a little bit of time. Ford Fiesta 1.6 USA edition. Okay, so let's wait for it now and see. It's going to take a little bit of time to load everything. Once it loads, we'll come back to it. Okay guys, this is the next screen. We're going to select Diagnostics here, control unit, okay, airbag system. It's going to take a little bit of time. Okay, pretty quick so far. Let's read the codes and see what we get. Usually you have to give it some time. Good thing about the Maxi Sys, they release updates all the time, so they constantly add new features, and with that thing you can do quite a bit, guys, believe me. Okay, and you can see the codes that we got. B141493, this one is B141493 as well, the same code. Driver side restraint sensor 0. The other one is that we have event, something you can see trigger the light, so we can ignore the middle code. We did some research, guys. Driver side sensor 0, this is the side impact airbag sensor on the front left door right here. So what we found out, we either have a bad sensor or a bad connection right here. But first, what we're going to do, we'll disconnect the battery for 1 hour before we mess with the sensor. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour since we disconnected the battery. Okay, we're going to pull the connection off and inspect it. I don't think we plugged it in right, and that red thing should be all the way in. I think it's our mistake, we didn't notice that. Okay, when you push the sensor in, okay, let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. Okay, it needs to click, okay, and then you need to install the red thing. That's the locking pin there. Otherwise it might come off, okay, and that's what we didn't do. Okay, so we'll connect the battery. Okay, let's see if that fixes the problem. Hopefully, otherwise we damage the wire or we have a bad sensor. Okay guys, we connected the battery. What I'm going to do, I'll start the car now, okay. And a cool thing about Ford, let me mention quick, you don't need to delete the codes in order for the light to go away. Because everything works good, Ford detects it and fixes its airbag light. You can delete the codes if you don't want them in the memory of the computer. So let's go ahead and start it. Okay, it's still on, and it went away. You can see that fixed the problem. We just had a loose connection there. We didn't install it right. That was our mistake. So always check and make sure that everything is tight and good. It happens to everybody, but just always check connections, always check wires, make sure that you don't damage any wires, and thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.